How to remove video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you can see your timeline with all the clips and transitions applied. Now, zoom in a bit on the timeline to clearly see the transitions between clips. Next, find the transition you want to remove. You will usually see a small icon or a crossfade between two clips. This is the visual indicator of the transition. Click directly on the transition icon to select it. Once it's selected, just press the delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the transition and keep the clips in place without affecting your edit. If you want to remove multiple transitions at once, hold down Ctrl and click on each transition you want to delete. After selecting them, press delete and they will all be removed at the same time. This is especially useful if you have applied the same transition across multiple cuts and want to clean them up quickly. And that's it. Now you know how to remove video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.